Hey guys, we know that you are getting ready to spend Thanksgiving with your family and friends. You may be even in the kitchen cooking, but we wanted to come to let you know of an exciting sale that we are running over at hisandhermoneyuniversity.com. You guys, we are giving away 15% off any of our products in our store. We would love to give back during this holiday season, and our way of saying thank you is to be able to help you in return. Now, some of you guys are looking to get your finances in order, especially prior to the new year, or even for the new year. Let us help you. We have two major courses. One, Crush My Mortgage, where we're actually teaching you what we did in order to pay off $330,000 in just 5 years. And our other course, Teach Me How to Budget, which literally shows you how to plan your paycheck on purpose. It's impossible to become debt-free. It's impossible to build wealth, or it's impossible to even run a successful business without first knowing how to operate your money, manage your money, budget your money properly, and win. So we would love to help you. Go to hisandhermoneyuniversity.com and use the code THANKS. It can be in caps or lowercase, it doesn't matter, but THANKS, THANKS, to receive your 15% off. So we will be running this sale on Wednesday, November 21st through Sunday, November 25th, midnight, guys. This code will be good. 15% off by using the code word THANKS, and you don't want to be too late, so we would love for you to join us.
Warren Buffett, billionaire, he made his money by making wise investments. And his advice is the best investment that anybody can make is an investment in themselves. So here's an opportunity for you to make a powerful investment in yourself. And guess what? You get to make that investment at a discounted rate. So go to hisandhermoneyuniversity.com today and get signed up, and let's get growing in the area of personal finance. And the links will be also in the description box below. We just want to highlight a few things. These courses, you will have lifetime access. Who gives away lifetime access? Meaning that you get to actually take the course, retake it. Anytime we add new things to it, you can pause, you can take it at your own pace. It is self-paced. You can take it whenever you want, guys. Can you believe that? So hurry and go to hisandhermoneyuniversity.com today.